On September 7th, 2023, the FDA released a guidance document containing 15 questions and answers on the application of human factors engineering principles to the development of combination products. So, if you're developing a combination product or just interested in the contents of this new guidance document, we've simplified it down to 3 main topics. In this video, I'll go through those topics one by one and highlight what we consider to be the key takeaways in each. Topic 1, relevant definitions. The document starts off by defining combination products, which are medical devices combined with a drug or biological product. These products have their own separate regulatory requirements as drugs, devices, or biological products, but they also fall under specialized regulatory requirements when they're combined. The document defines the final finished combination product as the product intended for market and submitted in the marketing application. This includes the user interface for the combination product, meaning packaging, labels, and training, if applicable. A combination product critical task is a user task that, if done wrong or not done at all, would harm the patient or user and compromise medical care. The definition of a combination product critical task differs from that of a device-only critical task in the level of harm. With a standalone device, only tasks with a potential for serious harm are considered critical. Topic 2. The importance of the use-related risk analysis. Like all medical devices, combination products are subject to design validation and use-related risk analysis where appropriate. A use-related risk analysis is a subset of the overall engineering risk analysis, with focus on intended use and risk of foreseeable misuse. The use-related risk analysis should consider all potential risks associated with the combination product as a whole, not just the device, the drug, or the biological product alone. For example, for a combination product like a medication injection device, a drug property like viscosity could increase injection delivery time and increase the risk of potential underdose. A use-related risk analysis should be conducted before beginning a clinical study, and that's to identify any potential risk of harm to the participants due to incorrect use of the combination product during the study. This document makes clear that the FDA may request the use-related risk analysis if there's any safety concern at all. If the use-related risk analysis shows any unacceptable risks, a human factors validation study might be required, and a draft of the study protocol should be submitted for feedback before proceeding. When planning a combination product design change, consider all potential effects on the use-related risk analysis. Depending on how the changes affect use, an additional human factors validation study might be necessary, focusing at the very least on the combination product critical tasks impacted by the modification. Topic 3. Human factors considerations at different development phases. The FDA reviews formative human factors evaluations as part of a draft protocol submission, the human factors report in the marketing application, or both, to better understand the development of the user interface design of the combination product. The FDA will review draft human factors validation study protocols within the lead center's established timeframe. If the draft labeling is included, the labeling leads in each center will conduct a pre-study review to prevent post-study revisions. The human factors validation study is conducted after finalizing the user interface design to ensure the safe and effective use of the product by its intended users in the expected environment. In some cases, if the final finished combination product is not ready, a representative test product might be used if justified. If training is included in the user interface design, it should be validated, including the training of trainers. Both trained and untrained users should be tested if training is optional or inconsistent, with the possibility of testing only untrained users in certain cases. Human factors actual use validation studies are conducted when simulated use test methods are not sufficient to evaluate user interactions with the final finished combination product. These studies assess the user interface of the device and are distinct from actual use or clinical home use studies that focus on clinical safety and effectiveness, where the user interface is not observed by a human factors evaluator. For more details, you can find the full FDA document linked in the description below. Explore our channel and blog at research-collective.com for further insights into human factors considerations in medical device development. Thanks for watching.